on. Oh, looky look. Too looky too. Whoops, that's noisy. Hey, you guys, you want the bolly? Emma. Timmy, come here. What? Go get it. Go get it. Lukey has it. What do you think? You have an itch. Hello, little guy. Hello. Hello. Are you the cutest thing ever? Yes, you are. Come on, let's get the ball. Come on. Let's get the ball. Come on, let's get the ball. Let's get the ball. What do you think? You ready? You ready, Timmy? You ready? You want the ball? You do. You ready? Here we go. Oh, Timmy, did you forget to run? What do you think? Where's the ball? Emma has it. Look. Oh. What'd you do? Break it, you goofball? Come here, Timmy. You want it? Get it. No, what are you doing under there? What are you doing, silly? You want the stick, huh? Oh, hello, Dino. I'm coming too. Everybody's here to play. Hi, Dino. Yeah, it's your kitty, and you have an itch again. What do you think? Hi, baby. Doing things. Come here, Tim. What do you think? Okay, job number 1 at the vet. Why is this dog so itchy?